The next example for IR system structure, a system is represented by this direct form 1 structure. Using Z transform method, solve zero state response Yn if Xn is equal to half with the power of n un. So from this one, we have current input and current output. You need to determine this equation of Yn first. So we read it one by one. We settle the top part first. So here we have xn multiply with coefficient 1. So we still have xn. For this one, after apply delay unit time for current input, we have xn minus 1. Multiply with half. So we have half xn minus 2. So for this part, we have yn. And after apply delay unit time to the current output, we have yn minus 1 multiply with 3 over 4, so we have 3 over 4 yn minus 1. So after apply double delay unit time for current output, we have yn minus 2 multiply with negative 1 over 4, we have negative 1 over 8. So we have negative 1 over 8 yn minus 2. So to read this equation, we have yn minus yn equal to xn plus half xn minus 1 plus 3 over 4 yn minus 2 minus 1 over 8 yn minus 2. Okay, so this is the equation as we read the output yn from this direct form 1 structure. And then from this one, you rearrange your equation so that the current and pass output on the left and the current input and the pass input on the right. So from this one, from the difference equation, we perform Z transform and zero out initial condition. Okay, so any initial condition, we apply zero initial condition. So for this part, we have finally we have this one after apply zero initial condition. So to determine zero state response, we have this equation. Okay, we rearrange this equation until we have yz on the left. So we have this part multiply with xz. So please remember that in the equation given the value of xn equal to this one, and after we transform into z domain, xz is equal to this one. So we multiply in this equation, and after that we take one of the z from the numerator to the left side, divide by yzs. So for this one, we need to apply the partial fraction expansion until we have this equation, and from this solution of partial fraction expansion, we can apply the inverse Z transform for zero states response in Z domain, so that we have the zero states response in time domain. So we have this one after we apply the inverse Z transform. So for further reading, please refer to the following subchapters: finite impulse response FIR and infinite impulse response IIR. With that, thank you very much.